I'm so hungry.
What's wrong, Phoebe? I need to make a lunchbox for school. Oh, that sounds fun. Yeah, but I don't know what to make. Hey, Bluey. Oh no, what's wrong?
I'm nervous about going back to school.
I've got it. I can make you both feel better with some fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, go Fizzy Bop! What are we gonna do? We're gonna make a Bluey themed lunchbox! Awesome sauce! But first, we need a hand from Miss Hands. Oh, Miss Hands!
Hey Fizzy, hey everyone. All right, let's decorate this lunchbox, but what stickers should we use?
Bluey is a dog, so let's use some dog stickers.
Good idea, Fizzy. All right, some dog stickers coming right up. Here you go, Fizzy, some Porcelain stickers. We got a dog kennel, so cute. Oh, look at this silly little sausage dog. Oh dear, he's got paint all over him. Hey Phoebe, this one looks like a unicorn with some cool hair.
Aw, I love it.
All these dog stickers are so cute. Which one would you like, Fizzy?
I love the sausage dog. Which one do you like, Bluey?
I like the doggy with the paint on it.
I love the unicorn dog.
Do they have unicorns in Australia? We sure do. I love unicorns. Hey Phoebe, look. I have some pretty unicorn stickers for you. Ta-da! One fizzy, fantastic lunchbox, but this lunchbox needs some food.
Is that peanut butter?
It sure is, Fizzy. Are we making peanut butter jelly sandwiches? Yep.
Awesome sauce! I love peanut butter jelly sandwiches.
Me too. Hey Bluey, I've got a surprise for you.
What's that? A bird? A duck? A plane?
It's a dog-shaped sandwich. Oh, yay! Thanks, Miss Hands. Let's draw a cute little face using this edible marker. A little eye. Maybe a little nose. And of course, a big smile. Some ears. And a little foot. It's missing something. A tail! Oh yeah, we're missing a cute little tail. Ta-da! One portion peanut butter jelly doggy sandwich. Ruff, 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 ruff.
Aw, that's so cute.
Time to put this doggy sandwich in your lunchbox. Ruff, ruff. Now for some healthy snacks. Time to cut up this large cucumber.
But remember, If you're doing this at home, always ask a grown-up to help.
That's right, Fizzy.
Wait, Miss Hands! The cucumber has a hole in it! Yeah! A bone-shaped hole!
That's right, Phoebe. I'm gonna make a carrot bone to go in the hole.
Awesome sauce!
First, cut a carrot slice, but remember, always get a grown-up to help you. Then use your cutter to make a tiny bone. Now pop your little carrot bone into your cucumber. Ta-da! 3 cucumber and carrot dog bones. Hi, Miss Hands. Can we make dog cucumber and carrot shapes? Of course, Bluey. Yay! Oh, they're so cute and tiny. And tasty too. Let's go ahead and pop these little puppies into the lunchbox. Now it's time for my favorite bit.
Miss Hands, what's that?
We're gonna make a special Australian treat for Bluey. Fairy bread. Yay, I love fairy bread. Can I have some? Of course you can, Bingo. But first, we need to put some butter on this bread. Now for the fun part.
That looks so yummy! Like unicorn bread!
This smells delicious! Wait, hold on, Bingo. Time to make it extra fun. Aw, it's a poodle like Coco. Can we draw a face on it? Of course, Bluey, using our edible marker. That looks doggy delicious. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. Hi, Bingo. That's more lunch. Don't worry, Bluey. I have more fairy bread just for you. Let's pop fairy bread cocoa into your lunchbox. There you go, Bluey. You're ready to go. Oh no! I've forgotten my water bottle! Oh, I'm just so nervous!
That's alright, Bluey. I'll help with my Phoebe magic! Phoebe, Weepy, Bo, Beep, Bop! Oh no! Oh, Phoebe, you got magic water, not a water bottle! Let me help! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop! Oops! Thanks, Fizzy!
Let's decorate Bluey's water bottle with these cute doggy stickers.
Awesome sauce!
Ta-da! one porcelain water bottle. So cute. Thanks, everyone. I feel much better about going to school now.
That's all right, Bluey. We're always here to help a friend. Oh no!
Oh no, Bingo! Are you alright? Yeah, I'm alright. Come on, it's nearly time for school.
Bye, Bluey. Bye, Bingo. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, let's get some yummy fairy bread. All right, come on, Phoebe.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, go Fizzy,